Third year English, lecture number 38, topic The Rebel, poem number 5. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you, third year class? I hope you will be fine and enjoying a safe and sound health, and may Allah protect you from all types of evils and worries. Ameen. Dear students, I say welcome to everybody in my English class. And as you know that in previous lectures, beta, we started your poem number 5, The Rebel. And what did we read in this poem, beta? हमने क्या पढ़ा था? Did you remember? हमने पढ़ा था that the poet, he talks about a person, a rebel who goes against the set norms, against the set pattern of the life, of the society. He does the things that are quite different from other people. So, and beta, why does he do a lot of contradictions, a lot of different things in order to get prominent, in order to have some space, some place in the society? ठीक है. और मे बी बेटा ही इज़ सफरिंग फ्रॉम इन्फीरियरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स, कोई कॉम्प्लेक्स है उसको, इन्फीरियरिटी का कॉम्प्लेक्स है कि अपने आप को कमतर समझता है, तो दूसरे लोगों से जब वो अपने आप को कंपेयर करते हैं. सो बेटा ऐसे लोग जो होते हैं दे डू डिफरेंट थिंग्स. ठीक है. सो दे आर सो मैनी यू कैन से सर्कमस्टेंसेज दैट लाइज इन अ पर्सनस लाइफ दैट मे मेक हिम टोटली चेंज, जिसको टोटली चेंज कर सकते हैं. एंड दे मे कंपेल हिम टू डू थिंग्स दैट आर नॉट अकॉर्डिंग टू द सोसाइटी. ठीक है. सो इन द सेम वे द रेबल इज़ अ पर्सन हु डज डिफरेंट थिंग्स. लाइक इफ द पीपल दे हैव लॉन्ग हेयर, देयर इज़ अ ट्रेंड ऑफ लॉन्ग हेयर, एवरीबडी इज गेटिंग लॉन्ग हेयर, सो ही विल हैव अ हेयर कट, ही विल हैव शॉर्ट हेयर. ठीक है. सो इस तरह से हो गया ना बेटा कि ही सीम्स डिफरेंट. So when everybody wears a uniform and he is in a proper way of clothing, so what does the rebel do? He wears जो है, we can say that he wears dresses like quite sober. ठीक है. that are against to the uniform, जो कि यूनिफॉर्म के बिल्कुल जो है वो कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट है, उसके जो है वो ऑपोजिट है. सो बेटा इस तरह से when people they yearn for, they long for the need of rain, he says that yes, there should be sun, and when there is sun and the people are praising the sun, so he will miss the rain. So beta, this is the way that how he goes against the society, against the people. Okay. So you can say that he behaves quite differently from other people. Okay. So let's start our stanza number 6. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, द रेबल गोज टू द मीटिंग. बेटा लास्ट लाइन जो है ये थोड़ी सी मिसप्लेस होगी थी यहाँ पे. ठीक है. सो गोज टू द मीटिंग मीन अटेंड सम फंक्शन. ओके. द वेरी फर्स्ट लाइन गोज टू द मीटिंग, अटेंड एनी फंक्शन, एंड स्टेज एट होम मीन रिमेन्स एट होम. ठीक है बेटा, थोड़े से ये डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स थे. तो वट वी कैन से दैट इन दीज लाइन्स द राइटर, द ऑथर, ही सजेस्ट दैट द रेबल बिहेव्स क्वाइट डिफरेंटली फ्रॉम अदर पीपल. ठीक है. his way of talking, his way of behaving, his way of living a life is quite and totally different from other people. When everybody goes to some function, he remains lonely at home and reads a book. Mean to say he doesn't go with the people that are going through. Maybe and the people beta maybe they are his family members. ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है ना. ना सिर्फ ये कि सोसाइटी के लोग, बल्कि उसके फैमिली मेम्बर्स भी हो सकते हैं. कि मीन टू से कि इफ़ हिज फैमिली दे आर गोइंग टू अटेंड अ फंक्शन, ही विल से नो, आई वॉन्ट गो विद यू, आई विल रिमेन एट माई होम. ठीक है. सो ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि वो अपनी सोसाइटी के या अपने जो फैमिली मेम्बर्स हैं उनके अगेंस्ट भी काम कर सकता है इन ऑर्डर टू गेट प्रोमिनेंट. ठीक है. सो ही शोज़ दैट ही इज़ नॉट अ सोशलेबल पर्सन. इस तरह से उसकी हमें ये नज़र आता है कि वो सोशलेबल पर्सन नहीं है. सो हाउएवर व्हेन एवरीबडी रिमेन्स एट होम and there is no function, he goes to attend the function. ठीक है. when everybody says that we won't attend this function, so he will say that yes, I will attend this function. so बेटा हो गया opposition. ठीक है. हो गया opposite उसका way of life, way of living a life. so we can say that in this way he tries to behave and act independently. आज़ादाना तौर पर जो है वो अपने आप को behave करता है, अपनी life गुजारता है. so he shows that he is different from other people. Yes, beta, stanza number 7. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. बेटा ये लाइन जो थी जो लास्ट 4 में मैंने लिखी थी, इसको बेटा सेकंड नंबर पे आना था, ठीक है. सो आप इसी तरह से मेरे साथ इसको पढ़िए. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. And when everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. So बेटा this is also the opposition, ठीक है. सो कहते हैं कि जब कोई किसी भी मामले में कहता है कि yes please, mean to say कि yes he wants to get something more, so the rebel says no. So how you will start these lines? That in these lines the poet says that the rebel wants to be different from other people in every matter. ऐसे ही ना बेटा, हर मैटर में he is behaving, he is acting like a different boy, ठीक है. The action of the rebel is motivated by his desire to show himself. He wants to show himself, he wants to have an eminent place, a prominent place in the society beta. That's why he is doing different things, okay, so that people may notice him. अक्सर बेटा आप लोगों ने देखा होगा when you are going to somewhere on the way you can say in a real cold, when there is quite coldness, so बहुत सर्दी होती है, winter season होता है, तो many people they won't wear sweaters, ठीक है ना. So they look very odd and strange. ऐसा है ना बेटा, I don't know you have witnessed or not, but I have witnessed. I have seen such people in the way in the surrounding that who doesn't follow the set pattern, ठीक है. और बेटा इससे क्या होता है कि they are really noticed by the people, ठीक है, नोटिस उनको किया जाता है. But I don't know whether people have a positive way of thinking about them or negative way of thinking. It depends on the people, ठीक है बेटा. So we can say that when everybody says yes to something, mean to say कि if he wants to get something more, so the rebel says no thank you, नहीं मुझे नहीं चाहिए, शुक्रिया जनाब. And when everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. So बेटा this is also a different way of behaving, a different way of acting on something, on anything that is going on in our life. So beta we can see that the rebel, you can say, does almost all the things differently from the other people. अब बेटा लाइन नंबर है 29 to 30, ठीक है. इसका बेटा 2 लाइन्स थी, so it won't a stanza contains 4 lines ना. So there are 2 lines last that were left, so I gave the heading line number 29 to 30, okay. So this is the conclusion beta, that how the poet concludes this poem. So let's have a look. It is very good that we have rebels, you may not find it very good to be one, ठीक है बेटा. अब हम क्या कह सकते हैं कि in these lines the poet gives his own opinion about rebels, ठीक है. So he first in the previous stanzas beta he draws a picture that what the rebel does in the society, and in the last 2 lines he gives his own opinion, he gives his own you can say way of thinking, and that what is you can say thought about the rebel. He is saying that people do not like such whimsical and odd people, ठीक है. whimsical हम किसको कहते हैं, जिनका जो बड़े जिनके बिहेवियर चेंज हो जाते हैं, चेंजेबल पर्सन, ठीक है. एंड एक्सेंट्रिक या फिर ऑड पीपल, बट द पोएट लाइक्स द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सच पीपल इन द सोसाइटी. वो चाहते हैं, इट इज़ वेरी गुड, इट्स मीन दैट वी हैव रेबल, इट्स मीन दैट ही लाइक्स the presence of rebel in the society. And why beta he likes it? Because he thinks that the presence in the society is a healthy sign for the progress of society, कि लोग इस तरह से सोसाइटी जो है प्रोग्रेस करती है, ठीक है ना, कि ही इज़ डूइंग डिफरेंट थिंग, एटलीस्ट ही इज़ इन एक्शन ना, वो कुछ कर रहा है, although he is doing different from the society, but the society is progressing as well. And he is very happy because these people are creative in their nature. The people who do different things better, they are creative people. उनका माइंड सोचते हैं ना इस बारे में. कुछ ऐसे लोग होते हैं who blindly follows the other people. Yes, ठीक है, जो जैसे कर रहे हैं सब मैं भी वैसा करता जाता हूँ. So they don't think innovative. And on the other hand, a rebel, he thinks innovative. His thinking is innovative. He you can say gets new ideas in his mind, that people are doing this thing, I will do this thing. So beta, that's why the writer, he calls such people creative in their nature. They provide variety to the spice of life. बेटा ऐसे जो ज़िंदगी एक सीक्वेंस पे चल रही है, so when we see such kind of people in the society, they brings color in the society because they are different ना. जब सारी चीज़ें बेटे एक जगह पे पड़ी होंगी सेम कलर की या सेम यू कैन से साइज और स्टाइल, सो पीपल गेट बोर्ड. बट व्हेन यू सी डिफरेंट थिंग्स इन अ बंडल, इन अ पैकेट, you will be inspired, you will be motivated, you will be happy. So this is the case with the rebel. They are different people, but they are very good addition to the color of the society. And according to writer, without such people, life would lose its color and charm, because they are the beauty of the society. अगर थोड़े से बेटा लोग डिफरेंट हैं, डिफरेंट नेचर के हैं, सो इट इज़ नॉट अ हार्मफुल थिंग, इट इज़ नॉट अ बैड थिंग. ठीक है ना. सो द पोएट सेज दैट वी शुड नॉट हेट सच पीपल, वी शुड एडमायर सच पीपल. कि एटलीस्ट कुछ तो लोग हैं ना जो कि थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट सोचते हैं. वी मस्ट टॉलरेट द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सच पीपल इन सोसाइटी. हमें उनको जगह देनी चाहिए बेटा. वी शुड एक्सेप्ट देम who have different way of thinking. ऐसा नहीं कि हम उनके against हो जाएं, that this person he doesn't agree with me, so I will go against him. ऐसा नहीं बेटा. We should support such people. And he says that you may not find it very good to be one, although you like rebels, but you don't want to be rebel. आप rebel बनना पसंद नहीं करोगे. क्यों? Because this is the way, this is the behavior of the society that will compel you to not be a rebel. Because if a person, if people do different things beta, they face a lot of problems. People may you can say get amazed, and may people make fun of them, of such people. ऐसे ही ना बेटा, when you do different things, so it's possibility that you will be made fun, आपका मजाक बनाया जाएगा. But बेटा, if due to the fear of this thing you stop doing different things, it is your death in my views. So it is a good sign that we have rebels in society. We have such people who are a very good addition, who are spice, who give spice to the life, that is the life of a modern man. It is monotonous है बेटा. monotony है इसमें, यकसानियत है. तो बेटा हमने इस चीज़ को जो है वो देखना है. And if we find such people in the society, we should not make fun of him. At least we can you can say play our own role while appreciating such people बेटा. ऐसे नहीं हो सकता कि हम बहुत ज़्यादा, अगर बहुत ही कोई बुरा काम कर रहा है सो हम उसको भी अप्रिशिएट करें. नो, आई एम नॉट सेइंग दिस थिंग. आई एम जस्ट सेइंग दैट इफ पीपल स्लाइटली डिफरेंट बेटा, एंड दे आर डूइंग माइल्ड एक्शंस, and they are not hurting anybody, so we should give them space in our life. ठीक है बेटा. So this was your poem number 5, The Rebel, and I hope you have well understood this poem. And beta, if you find any difficulty, you may ask me, and I will wait for your feedback. Till tomorrow beta, stay blessed and Allah Hafiz.